XRP coin. This bull run will be a special one for XRP. We have an ex-banker that has gave their reasons as to why XRP will flourish in the next bull run that everyone is anticipating for. We also have a video of Garlinghouse mentioning how Ripple is currently growing compared to other companies and how Ripple are doing pretty well. We are also going to be looking at how XRP could be a world reserve currency, and in addition to this we will be diving into the price predictions for December 2023 now that we are getting closer to that day, and these will be realistic price predictions as well. And we will also be looking at the price action for today, which is November the 28th. So all I ask from you are two things, which is to smash that like button and to subscribe to the channel as well. So let's have a look as to what this ex-banker has said. Now we actually do have the name for the banker, but unfortunately we don't have the information as to which bank they actually worked for. Now Kyron expressed optimism about the upcoming bull run for XRP, emphasizing the significant changes that have transpired since the last market cycle. So he says over here that this bull run will be a special one, and that the last cycle we saw heavy suppression and inactivity due to the whole lawsuit issue, but things have changed since then. In fact, change might be an understatement, as Ripple has flipped this around into the most bullish outcome possible. When things looked pretty back and forth for the SEC and Ripple all throughout last bull run, it would seem that since then Ripple's flipped it around and made the SEC look pretty bad, along with some help from the rest of the industry, because since the last bull run, not only has Ripple been coming out on top with the lawsuit in being defined a non-security for 2 out of 3 scenarios, but since then the momentum for development on CBDCs with Ripple has been nothing short of amazing. And he has listed all of the countries over here that they have been doing CBDC pilot projects with Ripple. It's pretty clear that many of these central banks simply don't care for the lawsuit going with Ripple XRP anymore. They are here for the network utilities, and that's exactly what Ripple provides. But it wasn't just a lawsuit that had set XRP back, it was the implications of the lawsuit that led to concern by exchanges in the US, eventually resulting in the delisting of XRP on almost every major US exchange. And he is very right about this. I do agree with him with the fact that XRP has been suppressed for so long. The price action has been manipulated, especially when we had that fake news about the BlackRock spot ETF for XRP. The price was able to pump within an hour. However, with all of this other good news, the price is not pumping. Again, we saw a lot of wins for Ripple regarding the lawsuit case, and we had that partial win in July as well. The CBDC pilot projects have been really good news, and Ripple have also been in talks with several other governments as well, so I do believe that they are a good player in terms of the CBDC aspect. And I do believe that because we are nearing towards the end of the lawsuit now, granted we do have a couple of months left, I think that we have got more clarity over there. However, we still need legal clarity in order for XRP coin to get relisted on other exchange platforms such as Coinbase and Kraken. Again, I think the only platform that actually put XRP coin back on recently was cex.io, so we still need the Coinbase relisting to come back, and Kraken too. Now if we have a look at what Garlinghouse has said at the Token 24/9 Singapore event.
And look, a lot of companies had layoffs this year, a lot of companies have struggled. I think those that have taken a long view are, as Ripple is, we've made 2 acquisitions, we're going to keep investing, our balance sheet is strong, we're hiring. I think this is the time when you want to actually build. When there's fear out there, I think now's the time to actually lean in. And so I'm optimistic that it drives the exact activity we're seeing out in the hall.
Ripple have now done 2 acquisitions, and one big one was with Metaco, and again they are hiring more people as well, so it just goes to show that Ripple is only growing. Now before we have a look at the price action and the price prediction, if we just have a look as to what Ripple's CTO said about XRP. Now David Schwartz, who is the CTO of Ripple, he believes that XRP could emerge as the world's reserve currency one day. Now obviously this is a very big thing, and it doesn't mean that it will happen and it will be set in stone, but imagine if XRP could be a world reserve currency, and that would basically entail that major banks would be holding XRP in significant quantities. It could potentially become a thing. He did admit that it was a wild case scenario, but held hope at the same time. Again, we are only in the beginning stages. We definitely need more adoption from the central banks and more of them to actually believe in XRP. If we have a look at the price prediction, and then we will get into the price action. So first of all, write down in the comments below where you believe XRP coin will go by December. What price point do you think that it will hit? Now some price predictions that we do have over here is, according to analysis, they forecast that it will reach a minimum of 63 cents and a maximum of 83 cents, and the average price of XRP is expected to be 73 cents. Now this is all a little bit conservative. I think that 83 cents, however, is a bit high. 63 cents is pretty much in line. I do think we could go for a 65-cent price target, and 73 cents, I think we will need a bit of a rally in order to get to that price point. So let's have a look at the price action for today. We are currently trading at 60 cents and we are down by just under 1% on the 1-day chart. The volume has come down by under 20% and we are trading at 1 billion in the volume. Again, not really much has been going on for today, despite the fact that we have been at that 60-cent level. We are still holding pretty strong because we actually did bounce back from that 59 cents. If you have a look on 7-day charts, you'll see over here that we were able to reach 63 cents when our volume was at 761 million. Unfortunately though, we did go to the downside and we actually hit 61 cents and came back up a little bit, but then we fell even further, and the lowest that we actually went to is 59 cents. Again, that is our support level. We bounced back off from it successfully, and again that's where we hit it, and so we hit that price point twice. So XRP coin is still doing pretty strong with that 59-cent support level. I do want to see the price hit 65 cents by the end of December 2023. I think that will be a pretty conservative price point, and I also think it will be good for XRP coin to remain there. Now if we do see more downside, we could potentially see XRP go to 57 cents, although let's see how strong it is able to stay at this price point of 60 cents. Guys, if you want daily XRP coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.